are at High Octane, the Jeep portion of the business out here in Lakewood, Colorado, where we do everything Jeep, you name it, sales, service, trades, modifications, whatever, anything Jeep. We got people that come from all over just to see us. You can't figure out a Jeep issue, dealerships can't figure it out, we can figure it out. We love our Jeep Cherokees here. It's kind of the bread and butter, cult following. We've stuck with them since the beginning. TJs, JKs, you know, all the way back to CJs, YJs. We love them all. We even get into some of the newer stuff, the WKs, WK2s, more reliability, better for travel, better for driving in the snow, inclement weather. Basically point and shoot. So this is what we do. Jeeps were meant to be used in a certain way. Get them up to the mountains, go fishing, camping, hang with your kids, fam, do some hikes, whatever it is. If you break something, come see us here at High Octane Performance.